Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. We're into early May, it's starting to warm up, so we're going to talk about tillers. So we'll go through how to service a tiller before you start to use it in the spring. So first thing that you want to do is you want to have your tiller sitting level and you want to check your gearbox oil level. Normally there's a plug on the back or the side that you'll pull, make sure that some oil drips out of there, and then you've got the correct oil level. Most of them will take an 80-90 weight gear oil in that gearbox, but consult your owner's manual to make sure. The next thing is the chain box on the end of the tiller. Most tillers have a chain in there. If you have a fancy one, it will have a gear. Then it's just a matter of putting some grease in there so that there's enough lubricant on the gears. If it has a chain like this one, what you want to do is loosen up the jam nut, snug up this bolt, and basically you want to have it finger tight. Don't be putting a wrench on there to get it tight. All there is just a rub block that goes against the chain, and so you can't over tighten that or you'll start to damage everything, both the back side and the front side of the chain. So snug that up finger tight, lock your lock nut on there, and then your gearbox is good to go. Normally there's a plug front or back that will show you your grease level in that gearbox. This one has it about mid-height. You don't have to have that much grease in there. Normally somewhere in about the halfway point, just above this, or sorry, a third of the way point above this sticker is plenty of grease in there. And then last thing, you want to grease your drive shafts. There's nipples on the front and the back and on the slide. And check your tines. A lot of people ask how far to let the tines wear. Normally when your tine is about half worn, and if you phone with your model number, the parts guys can measure what a new tine is, and you can compare a new tine to your old one. Once you're about half worn, typically it doesn't cut as well. You lose the angle on the blades, and then as it hits hard soil, it's susceptible to bending, and then it just doesn't do a good job for you. So give the parts guys a shout with your model number and your serial number. They can measure a tine. You can compare it to what you have, and that'll make for happy tilling. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.